This is Kelly Hill, technology reporter for RCR Wireless News. I'm here today with Marc Bensadoun, who is CEO of Newfield Wireless, which is part of Tectronics Communications. How are you, Marc?
Very good. Thanks for having me, Kelly.
Now, Newfield was acquired by Tektronix in late December last year. I'm wondering if you can talk to us a little bit about the integration that's going on and what Newfield is able to do in terms of a portfolio now that maybe wasn't possible before the acquisition.
So our goals going into the acquisition were really to combine Tektronix's worldwide go-to-market footprint to leverage their complementary technology portfolio, and also really to benefit from their ability to accelerate R&D and in all areas of the business to really move ahead. And we've been moving very quickly since December in all three areas. We did have very complementary portfolios, and we're now moving very quickly to integrate to enrich the use cases that are our core use cases, which were mostly in the RAN, as well as Tektronix's core use cases, which were more EPC and core focused, to really provide end-to-end use case support. And both portfolios already were real-time and highly scalable. And so that's something that we're able to bring to the integrated portfolio as well.
Now, Newfield focuses on geoanalytics. Can you talk to us a little bit about the trends in big data analytics and how that, what you guys see that's exciting that's going on in the industry right now?
So we definitely see our operator customers moving to feed data lakes with these very rich data sources which we can provide. And each of the operators tends to have their own use cases which are most valuable to them at any given time. So I think our ability to support a broad range of use cases, from very traditional network optimization, planning, trouble ticketing, to device analytics, customer experience, understanding customer experience better, network expansion and capacity planning, all the way into data monetization use cases where we have some really exciting deployments in the area of geomarketing. We really do see that operators understand the value of the data that we're able to provide, and so that's very exciting. And we're really excited to now have the capacity to provide modules and applications sitting on top of the platform to deliver value.
Can we talk a little bit more about some of the use cases? I know that we talked briefly about VoLTE. There's marketing. So please let's hear a little more.
So in the U.S. market, we definitely see with the launch of VoLTE, either past or coming shortly, a lot of attention to much more detailed understanding of how LTE functions. In a best effort world, it was okay to have latency and some packet loss, and it was so much faster than legacy technologies that the launches were a success. In the case of VoLTE, we're trying to put mission critical services, voice, onto a packet bearer, and that's really inherently a very challenging problem. And so with TrueCall, we can provide live end-to-end visibility into VoLTE sessions to allow operators very cost effectively to understand VoLTE experience. So effectively, once launched, we can reduce reliance on drive testing, we can reduce the time to detect problems, to root cause them, and really allow the organization to make their VoLTE launch a success with their existing teams and infrastructure.
Great. Marc, thanks so much for your time today.
Very nice to be with you.